everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. Thank you again to everyone that continues to support me on YouTube. But more importantly, to all of you that continue to purchase these flower pops. And I'm just so grateful and so thankful. And I've had a lot of requests to start showing my face on screen. So I will start doing that very soon. I'm excited about some of the paintings that are coming up and some of the new mixed media that I've been exploring. So I look forward to sharing that with you as time allows on YouTube. But in the meantime, a big thank you and shout out to all of the clients and people that continue to support me locally. Okay, let's get started with Stranger Things 2. Here we go. I am actually going to work on a 16 by 20 canvas tonight. And I wanted to go over the colors, and then I'll probably do some voiceover. We have a lot of leaves outside, and my husband's going to be blowing them, and it's going to be very noisy. So I wanted to get the colors in. I am going to use Arteza's Violet. I then will use Porridge Posse Galaxy Blue Shimmer. I then have some Golden Permanent Maroon mixed with some Vallejo Pouring Medium. I have a little bit of Art Minds Aquamarine. I hope it's not lumpy and it's okay. I'm going to use the last of it. We all know this no longer exists. Then I have a mixture, and I can't read my handwriting on this cup. I know that it's Pebeo, and then it's a Martha Stewart, one of them that has the glitter in it. So we're going to use those. I thought that'd be a real neat contrast. I am going to do, I think, some grass or leaves at the bottom, and I'm going to do a mixture of the Liquitex Professional Light Emerald Green. And then I have Artist Loft Chromium Oxide Green. And I'm going with a little bit of Folk Art Color Shift Green Flash. That will be at the bottom. I think I'm going to swipe two different swipes. I did that when I did Calypso, and I think it turned out really well. So let's get started laying down the paints.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
Okay, I've decided to add a little bit of a white line just on my grass. And I am going to swipe. So we're going to pull this up a little. There we go. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, I'm just going to dampen the edge of this shop towel. It's a little bit thicker than paper towel. And I'm going to put the wet edge on the paint very carefully. And I kind of want it taut. For the grass, it's not as important, but I would like it to be. Actually, fold it like this. There we go. Okay. And I really didn't want the purple in there, but that's okay. Ooh, yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. That's going to be beautiful. I'll be adding some green to it. All right, so I'm going to move this around and swipe the other way. I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to do our white swipe line down at the bottom, and I'm actually filling a little purple in over that area because I do want there to be some distinction between the grass and the flowers, I think. We'll see. I'm doing a very, very quick swipe. I want a lot of white in the top of this painting. I do not like that area at all, so let's start there. Okay, come around here. Oh, beautiful. Love it. That's a pretty one. I just wonder if I should come off like this and leave it alone. Or should I come down and down, bring them down and have grass this way? All right, here we go. This one isn't going to be as big, but it's going to be a full flower. All the way. I have to work around a ladder. I have a ladder sitting here. Okay, I see one petal I gotta fix. I don't want to do any more. Pretty, very pretty.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. there's more in life that I want.
Okay, I am in love with these grass corally look, and I've decided to name this Stranger Things 2. I think I'm going to keep going with the Stranger Things series. The first one sold. I actually put it out for the first time a couple weeks ago, and it sold. So it's been hanging in my hallway. Did not have a name, and I said, this is so strange. So Stranger Things was a big hit. Stranger Things 2, I cannot wait to show it to you. I did get a black frame for this. I am going to, I'm hoping to open a store on my website or maybe on Etsy. I just haven't decided yet. I know that when I do something, unfortunately, I have to do it above and beyond and 100,000,000%. So until I have the capacity to be able to manage an online store, I've just been doing this at shows and Facebook and YouTube. And thank you. And a big thank you to the couple that purchased Stranger Things, the first one. I will show you a picture of it at the end of this video. It was so great meeting you. Please keep in touch with me. It was just an honor, and I was so humbled when you purchased that painting, so thank you. I am excited to show you the final results. I will see you there. Let's go down. This is messy, but it's wet. Let's go down for a close-up. And look at this very cool, should it be grass or should it be coral? I love it. It's like underwater thorns. Around. Wow. Beautiful. All the way up. These underwater flowers, they just remind me of something so cool. Look at that one. And this one has like a leaf growing over it. This one got some cells in it. I'm gonna go around here. Pretty. I love this one. Beauty. Beautiful. Go down. Look at that. Pretty. I'm gonna go up. You can see the purple sparkle from Martha Stewart. I'm gonna come up that you can see. I just love this coral underneath here. Okay, I will show you the dried results. See you there.